the three of the informations. Is this screen being seen by you, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today's topic is the solution of oblique triangles. Two important laws you will be studying. One is called the sine law and another is called the cosine law. These are the laws to solve the oblique triangles. The first law is in front of you, that is sine law. So there are three angles. If you draw a triangle, the conventional style is that the vertex should be shown as the angle. Say A, B, C, these are the vertices of a triangle. What do we mean by vertices? Where the two lines join each other and the angle is being formed at that point. So there are the three angles. In capital letters, you will write the angles A, B, C, or in some books it is written as alpha, beta, and gamma. No problem. But the small sides in front of angle A, the side will be denoted by small a. Likewise, in front of angle B, the side will be represented by small b. And of course, small c will be the side in front of angle C. This relation, either you use this one, which is written in the first line, and if you reciprocate every term, meaning is same. All the numerators have been written in the denominator and denominator have been written in the numerator. You see, in equation, this is possible. 2 by x equal to 3 by y can be written as x by 2 equal to y by 3. Just you can reciprocate it. So this is your sine law. Actually, this is a combination of three relations. If I take the second one, so it's a combination of three relations. A over sine A equal to B over sine B. Or you can have this relation A over sine A equal to C over sine C. Or you can have this relation B upon sine B equal to C upon sine C. So this is actually an amalgamation of three relations. The law of sines enable us to solve many oblique triangles. Solving a triangle means finding the measure of all the sides and angles of that triangle. So you know there are three angles and three sides. Amongst them, three of the informations will be given to you and the remaining three you are to find. That is called the solution of a triangle. To solve an oblique triangle by law of sines, we need either two angles and one side is given, or two sides and the angle opposite one of them. Included angle नहीं होना चाहिए, two sides हैं और किसी side के opposite में एक angle दिया हुआ है. So this sine law can be used in such a situation. I have taken an exercise from another book, but nevertheless there is a book which has been uploaded on an LMS. You must go through, and almost every topic is there. You had been studying and you will be studying. Well, see, this is an exercise 9.4. The book is different from this one. So in this case, exercise is 9.4. Solve the triangles from the given information. So three of the information in each case have been given and the remaining you are to find. Well, let me see. I have solved some of the sample questions for you. There are almost 26 questions in this exercise. Now, question number 1. This exercise is 9.4 and solve the triangles from the given information. See, the triangle is in front of you. Angle A has been given to you 20.2 degrees. Angle C has been given to you 50.7 degrees. Degree is showing that this is an angle, okay? And B, small b means the side B is given as 4. It is a value. The length of the side B is 4. Now you draw any triangle ABC and mention all these informations which have been provided to you. So remember, gentlemen, whenever there is a possibility that you can make a figure for that particular question, then you must draw the figure. It makes your concept clear. It makes your steps clear to you. Just at a glance, you come to know what has been given and what you are required to find. Well, solution. Consider the figure. We know that the sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180 degree. First, we find the angle B. You see, two of the angles are known, angle A and angle C. These two angles have been given to you. So what we do, we just sum up these two and subtract it from 180, because this is a law that whenever you sum up three of the angles of a triangle, it always comes to be 180 degree. It will never exceed 180 degree. It will never be less than 180 degree. The sum of the three angles is 180 degree. If two of the angles are known, sum up them and subtract the sum from 180 degree. You will get the value of the third angle that we have done here. You see, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. Substitute the value of known angles. Angle A is 20.2 degree. Angle B you need to find, so let it be as it is. And for angle C, the value is given 50.7 equals 180 degree. Okay, you sum up. This is 70.9 degrees. Shuffle it to the right side. Then subtract it. You will get the angle B as 109.1 degree. Okay, this is the value of angle B, 109.1 degrees. Okay, after finding all the three angles, and one side is already given to you, angle as a side B is given, you need to find, gentlemen, the side A and C. Here we now apply the law of sines. For law of sines, okay, I take this relation A upon sine A equal to B upon sine B. I'm taking this B because B is known to us. Okay. So in this relation, you just use the relation in which only one unknown should be there that you need to calculate. The rest, every value should be given to you. Otherwise, if in one equation there are two unknowns, you can't solve that. Fine. The only unknown in this relation is A. The rest, you know all the values or you have calculated. Okay, get it? So put for sine A, the value of A is 20.2 degree. Sine of 20.2 degree equals 4. B is 4 is given to you. 4 upon sine angle B. Angle B 109.1 degree. You have just calculated. Put here. Then you can go for the cross multiplication to solve this equation. So A upon, okay, in first you substitute the values from the calculator. You can use your calculator and insert all the values of sine of the angles which you need. Okay, sine 20.2 is 0.345298. You see, I am taking maximum value after the decimal just to get my answer accurately. अगर आप यही इसको राउंड ऑफ कर देंगे और थोड़ा सा दो वैल्यूज लेंगे तो दो वैल्यू से आंसर सही नहीं आएगा. ओके, take as many values as you are getting from the calculator, and in the end you then round it off. The value of sine 109.1 degree is this much. Then go for the cross multiplication. It will be multiplied. The denominator will come in the numerator on the right side. After multiplication, multiply it with 4, 1.381192 you are getting. Divide by this value you have already calculated. After the division, the answer is coming to be 1.46. This is the length of side A. अगर तो ये होती राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल तो हम Pythagoras theorem लगा के थर्ड साइड निकाल सकते थे. But here ensure the triangle is not right angle triangle. So again you have to apply the law of sines. Now in this case we need to find the value of C. B is already known to us, so and all the angles are known. So use this relation B upon sine B equals C upon sine C. B is for sine of B 109.1. C is to be found, so let it be as it is. Then sine C, sine of 50.7. Well, insert the values. Sine 109.1 is this much, and sine 50.7 is this much. Then you cross multiply. This denominator will be multiplied with 4. Okay, go for the cross multiplication and interchange the signs. Side C can be written here, and this product can be written to the right side. After the simplification, you see you're getting the value of C as 4.79. So in the end, you write your answer at one place because you were required to find the length of side A and length of side C and the value of the angle B. As you have calculated all these three, so just write them at one place to show that this is the answer you have got. Any problem to anybody? Anything you feel difficult? Yes, I'm inviting questions from you. अगर कोई step समझ में नहीं आया, I can explain it again. Yes, the students, are you listening my voice or not?
Yes, sir.
बात समझ में आ गई?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है ना? इस तरह का एक क्वेश्चन और करते हैं और फिर आई विल स्विच यू टू द अदर लॉ. चलिए एक क्वेश्चन मैं करता हूँ और एक फिर आप करेंगे. Another question I'm taking question number 9 from the same exercise. Well, in this case only one angle is wrong. In the previous case two angles were wrong. And two of the sides are given. Side A is 71.6 and side C is 136. And angle C, the author is saying that this is an acute angle. It's not a bigger angle. तो छोटा है 90 डिग्री से कम है तो acute कहलाता है. Okay? You know the angles. There are three types of the triangles. One is the acute angle triangle, another is right angle triangle, and then obtuse angle triangle. From angle point of view, these are the three kinds, right? So now we use this relation. First you insert all the values which are known to you, draw a triangle. Side C, you see A, B, C, once we write, then in front of capital A, that is your angle, this side is A. In front of angle B, this side is B. In front of this vertex C, this side is C. So known values have been inserted here, C value, A value, and the angle A. Okay. The three informations have been given, so you write only these three informations. Now next, in order to find uh, angle C. First, now we find angle C. So we use this relation A upon sine A equal to C upon sine C. Sine C, if I go for the cross multiplication, sine C will come in the numerator here. Sine A will be coming in the numerator at the right side, and A will be dropped. I mean, will be written in the denominator. Is it clear? How have I written sine C? The sine C is this expression. Then insert all the known values. Side C is 136. Sine of A, sine of angle A is 29.3 degrees, and the side A is 71.6. Okay, insert all these values here. Then put the value of sine 29.3 degree. You can see it from calculator. The answer will be 0.48938. Multiply this value with 36 and divide the result by 71.6. So in the nutshell, the answer is coming to be 0.92955. This is the value of sine C. But as you are interested to find the value of the angle C, what you have to do? देखिए हम साइन को डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते दो, ठीक है? So this is the trigonometric function. So once you wish to bring this sine to the other side, it will be written as sine inverse. Okay. So angle C will be equal to sine inverse of this value you got, that is 0.92955. And once by pressing your shift button, and you'll get the sine inverse and insert this value. I hope you can find the value of the angle from your calculators. You must know how to use that. We'll do one question थोड़ी देर बाद भी करते हैं ताकि पता चले आप सबको इस्तेमाल में आता नहीं आता. The value of sine inverse is 68.4 degrees. Done. This is angle C. C, capital C means angle C. Small c means side C. Keep in mind the difference. और उसको लिखते वक्त ख्याल रखिएगा. तो यह बेहतर होगा कि put this symbol of angle once you are writing C. G. Angle B, I told you. Once two of the angles are known, A is given and C you have calculated. You sum up these two angles and subtract the sum from 180 degree. You will get the value of angle B. देखिए यहाँ पे किया मैंने. 180 माइनस ब्रैकेट में लिखिएगा एंगल ए प्लस एंगल सी ऐड कर रहे हैं. Angle A is 29.3, angle C is 68.4. You have just calculated, add them. After the addition, you are getting 97.7 and subtract this result from 180. You will be getting the answer as 82.3. This is the value of angle B. And if you want to verify whether you have got your all the three angles correct, you just sum them up. तीनों को ऐड करके देखिए, आंसर should come 180 डिग्री. इससे बड़ा ये कम हो रहा है तो इसका मतलब है कोई एंगल आपका गलत है. अब हमारे पास क्या चीज रह गई? ओनली टू फाइंड साइड बी, है ना? All the three angles we have got. Two of the sides the author has already given. Now your job is to find the third side, that is side B. We use this relation B upon sine B equal to A upon sine A. I have written the side on the otherwise position. Left hand side can be brought to the right hand side and right hand side can be brought to the left hand side in one equation. This is what a law is. You can do it. And B upon sine B, okay. Multiply this sine B in the numerator, in the numerator on the right side. So ये cross multiply कर दीजिए इसको. So A upon sine A as it is and sine B will be written here in the numerator. Insert the angle. Sine B is sine 82.3. You have just calculated. Sine A, sine of 29.3, it is given. Then from your calculator, substitute the values of these sine angles. Sin 82.3 is coming to be 0.99098, and sin 29.3 is coming to be 0.48938. Then multiply this numerator, then divide it by the denominator. In the nutshell, you are getting 144.99. You may write it as 145, or you may leave it as it is. Now 0.99 is as good as 1. So you can write it as 145, no problem. But in the same way, if you leave it as it is, no problem. So this one's side B you wanted to calculate, and the two angles you had calculated. This is the solution of your triangle. Any problem to anybody? You know how to find the angle. चलिए, let's do a question from the exercise आप करें और मेरे साथ साथ करें. Let me see. Okay, one of the angles is given. अब देखिए, this is question number 6. करेंगे question number 6. या ठीक है, question number 6 किया, कोई मसला नहीं. Is it visible to everybody? Hello, आप सबको नजर आ रहा है ना question 6?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. अच्छा, जैसे हमने अभी पहला क्वेश्चन किया था, इसमें सिर्फ एक ही एंगल है और आपको दो एंगल से निकालने होंगे. एंगल C is given to you and angle A and angle B you want to calculate. Two of the sides are known. One is A and another is B. तो देखिए, A की वैल्यू है 0.798 और B की वैल्यू है, सॉरी, साइड C की वैल्यू है 1.32. पॉइंट कर सकते हैं आप लोग. शुरू करें. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, एंगल निकालते हैं. क्या ख्याल है ना? सारे एंगल मिल जाएंगे तो फिर हमारे लिए कोई भी साइड निकालना आसान हो जाएगी. ओके, तो विच रिलेशन यू शुड यूज? लिखिए, A अपॉन साइन A इज इक्वल टू C अपॉन साइन C. ये रिलेशन यूज कीजिए. Because A, C and angle C is given, so all these given information will be there. The angle A, then we will be able to calculate. Okay, all of you write down the relation. बताइए, अब मैं आपके साथ कर रहा हूँ and I wish to see कि आप ठीक कर रहे हैं या गलत कर रहे हैं. जी लिखिए, the relation is A upon sin A will be equal to C upon sin C. Well, before you take the sign of angle C, the angle must be expressed in complete degrees, whereas here it is given in minutes also. So what is the criterion? How do we express our minutes into degrees? बोलिए, who knows? बताइए, किसी को पता है? You had qualified your intermediate. Do you know how to express your minutes into degrees? जी, कौन बताएगा? Nobody is telling me. Students, आप किसी मिनट को डिग्री में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं? नहीं पढ़ा हुआ? अगर नहीं भी पढ़ा है तो आप बताइए कि नहीं पढ़ा है. भूल गया तभी. अच्छा, देखें, लिख लें कहीं. प्लीज राइट डाउन दिस रिलेशन. यूनिट्स आपको आनी चाहिए ना. लिखिए, 1 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 60 मिनट्स. डिग्री पे गोल सा निशान लगाएंगे और मिनट पे एक डैश लगाएंगे. ये देखिए, डैश लगा हुआ है. 38 के ऊपर जो डैश लगा है ये मिनट को शो करता है. लिखिए 1 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू 60 मिनट्स, और फिर आगे लिखें इन द नेक्स्ट रो 1 मिनट इज इक्वल टू 60 सेकेंड्स। सेकेंड्स के लिए आपने डबल डबल ऐसे शेड लगाना है, डबल डैशेस डालना है। ओके, so this is the relation. 1 degree is 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Well, good thing in this case is that the author is not giving you the angles in seconds. Okay, anyhow, he is using this minute relation. तो मिनट को हमने क्या करना होगा, पहले express your minute into degrees. तो लिखिए please all of you write down angle C is equal to 47 डिग्री प्लस 38/60 डिग्री। ये अब डिग्री हो जाएगा, जैसे ही आप 60 से डिवाइड करेंगे द मिनट विल बी एक्सप्रेस्ड इनटू डिग्रीज, और हम ऐड करते हैं ये, अच्छा याद रखिएगा 47 डिग्रीज प्लस 38/60। अब मुझे बताइए व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ 38/60, ऑल ऑफ यू divide 38/60 and tell me the answer. Come on gentlemen, क्या एंगल सी
47
जी?
47.6.
आप नहीं, एक नहीं दो ले लें, हम 47.63 तक कर लें, ठीक है, गुड।
Okay, sir.
डिग्रीज नाउ इट इज 47.63 डिग्रीज। ये इसलिए जरूरी है करना मिनट को डिग्री में, क्योंकि जब आप साइन की इसकी वैल्यू लेंगे तो फिर आपके लिए वो आपको वो कैलकुलेटर आंसर दे रहा होगा, अदरवाइज नहीं देगा। चलिए अब इसको पुट करें वैल्यूज को। ए की वैल्यू आपके सामने क्या लिखी हुई है, 0.798 अपॉन साइन ए। साइन ऑफ ए आपको मालूम करना है, तो लेट साइन ए